once you created the rate cards for merchants, you can create rate cards for the agents as well. To add rate cards for agents, you have to go to the agent section under the rate cards menu. This is the table. You can list out all the rate cards applicable to the agents. To create a new rate card, you have to go to the add new button. All the sections are same as the merchant. If you want to see how these fields are filled, just go to the merchants rate card section and you can see how these fields are filled. Only difference is in this origin you can select the agent. This agents also listed down in the following drop down. So if you want to send some parcel from your main city to the agent, then you have to mark this origin and destination cities as this. So the system will take all the cities who doing by this Courier delivery to the rate card.